Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a look at the 2023 Chevrolet Equinox RS. The RS is featured in a black paint finish and has a jet black leather interior. Under the hood we have a 1.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with our 6-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. Inside the vehicle is 5 total passenger seating. We also have a heated steering wheel, heated front seats, a dual-pane panoramic sunroof, as well as lane keep assist and our forward collision alert. Outside the vehicle, we have a surround view camera system, black alloy wheels, as well as our powered liftgate. Starting off in the front of our Equinox, we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks, power mirrors, power windows, and our rear window lock. Storage in the bottom of the door, as well as our powered liftgate functions, and then our Bose speaker. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, we have our interior and exterior lighting controls. Power driver's seat finished in our jet black leather with our red trim throughout. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, you can see our display cluster. In the center, we have our digital information system that can display our information, audio, navigation, as well as our phone, and then our settings. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, this is our cruise settings with forward collision and gap control in the middle. Then we have a heated steering wheel as well as our lane keep assist. Moving to the right-hand side, we have voice recognition, our hands-free, controls for that driver information system. Behind is our turn signals, and on either side we have audio controls. Push to start ignition also on this right-hand side. Moving to our infotainment system in the middle, you can see that we have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth media, phone connection, our GPS navigation, 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, wireless Apple Carplay, and wireless Android Auto. Also have settings and user settings so we can adjust throughout. Second page, we have our apps, surround view camera with front and rear guidelines, Sirius XM, OnStar, as well as My Chevrolet. Below we have home, our seek, volume and mute, as well as back. Auto stop start and traction are below those controls. Below that we have all of the controls for our dual zone front climate. So we have front and rear defrost, individual temperature on either side with sync across the middle. Also have AC controls, and then all of our fan controls in the middle. Heated driver's seat with 3 settings, and a heated passenger seat also with 3 settings. Across the bottom we have storage space, our SD slot for our nav, USB-C, USB-A, an aux, as well as our 12-volt plug. In front of our shifter we have our all-wheel drive shift and our park assist on the right. Shifter is leather finished with red trim throughout. 2 cup holders are next to that, and we have an electronic parking brake below. A little bit of storage in front of our center console that we can see holds our key. On our key, locks and unlocks, remote start, our powered liftgate, as well as our alarm system. Into the center console itself, 2-tiered storage with our coin holder, 2 USB-As inside. Moving to the passenger seat, you can see it's also finished in that same jet black leather with our red accents and is heated for the passenger. Moving above the rearview mirror at the front, we have our OnStar settings, dome lights on either side with dome lighting controls across the front, powered sunroof as well as our powered sunshade. Also have a sunglass holder above. And lastly, throughout the roof, we have our dual pane panoramic sunroof ranging from the front to back of the vehicle. Now walking down the side of our RS, on the hood we have a protective film. Moving down to the front tire and rim, we have a black alloy rim with our Chevrolet bow tie center cap and all-season tires. Moving out, paint match mirrors with integrated turn signals, black Equinox badging on the front door, as well as paint match door handles with keyless entry. Roof cross rails on the top of the vehicle. All the way around to the back, we have our blackout badging with a black bow tie, black Equinox, and black all-wheel drive. Then our RS in chrome and red. Opening up into the back, we have our powered liftgate. You can just simply release through underneath. Then our liftgate opens up. In the back, we have our all-weather mats, so you can lift up on them, and we have some storage and a full-size tire underneath. Storage on either side. You can also directly fold the second row seats in a 60/40 folding format, and we have a 12-volt plug. Lastly, to close the vehicle, we have power release and manual release on the right-hand side. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as some storage and our speaker. Inside the vehicle, storage pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat. 2 rear vents, 2 USBs for charging, as well as a 120-volt plug. All-weather mats continue into the back of the vehicle. Second row seat, we have a 60/40 folding split. You can fold it directly from the side of the vehicle or from the back. Lastly, in the middle seat, we have our foldable center console. All-weather caps inside of our cup holders that we can lock into place. Then across the roof, we have our second pane of our dual-pane sunroof. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2023 Chevrolet Equinox RS. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.